This is part 1 of the video series on problems on linear equations in two variables. And in this problem, we have expressed the following linear equations in the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0 and indicate the values of a, b and c in each case. Okay, ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is the general representation of a linear equation in two variables, right? This is the general representation. You have to express each of these equations in this form, that is ax plus by plus c equal to 0, and then you have to tell the values of a, b and c. Let's start. Now here you have 9.35 bar is over this 5. It means that this is actually 9.35555, right? In that way it is non-terminating, right? So you have to remember this, that this bar means that it's actually 5 is occurring every time. So 2x plus 3y is equal to 9.35 bar can be written as 2x plus 3y minus 9.35 this bar and equal to 0. Now your a will be this 2, your b will be this 3, and your c will be this minus 9.35 and the bar over 5. And why? Because you have to write this in the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So from this is 2x plus 3y plus minus 9.35 this bar and equal to 0. So a is 2, b is 3 and c is minus 9.35 and bar over this one. Now one very important thing, when we were discussing about linear equations in two variables, that is the introduction of linear equations to two variables, there we discussed one very important point, that the representation of a linear equation in two variables is not unique, right? And why? Because in this case you have expressed it in this form, where a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to minus 9.35 and this bar over 5. But if I write the same equation as 0 is equal to 9.35 this bar and minus 2x and minus 3y, what's the difference in these two? In this case we transpose this 9.35 on the left hand side, but in this case we are transposing 2x plus 3y on the right hand side. That is what we have here. So this becomes minus 2x minus 3y plus 9.35 and this bar over 5 equal to 0. Now in this case, when you have to express it in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0, your a is minus 2, your b is again minus 3 and your c is plus 9.35 bar. Here your a was 2, b was 3, a was 2, b was 3 and c was minus 9.35 this bar. But in this case this is a, this is b and this is c, right? So minus 2, minus 3 and plus 9.35 bar. So this you have to keep in your mind, that the presentation of a linear equation in two variables is not unique, because here you can clearly see that a is equal to 2 but here is minus 2, here b is equal to 3 but here it is minus 3, it's here it's c is equal to minus 9.35 bar and here it's 9.35 bar, minus plus, right? X minus y by 5 minus 10 equal to 0. So this is basically what? 1 multiplied by x plus minus 1 by 5. Why? Because this is minus y by 5, so write plus here, and within the bracket you have minus 1 by 5 and y plus minus 10 equal to 0. So from here this is your a, this is your b and this is your c, right? And in the same way as we did here, you can express it in a different way, like transposing all these to the left hand side, right hand side, and in that case the sign will get reversed. Now here you have minus 2x plus 3y equal to 6. Okay, so minus 2x plus 3y minus 6 equal to 0. Now this is minus 2x plus 3y plus minus 6 equal to 0. This is A, this is B, this is C. X equal to 3y, so this is x minus 3y equal to 0. Okay, now this is x plus minus 3y plus 0 is equal to 0, because if you add 0, will it make any difference to this? No. So this is 1 multiplied by x plus minus 3 multiplied by y plus 0 is equal to 0. This is your A, this is your B, and this is your C. 2x minus 5y, so 2x minus 5y means 2x plus 5y is equal to 0, or 2x plus 5y plus 0 is equal to 0. So this is your A, this is your B, and this is your C. 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so if 3x plus 2 is equal to 0, now in this case this is basically 3x plus 0 multiplied by y plus 2 is equal to 0. This is basically linear equation in one variable, not a linear equation in two variables. But here when you put 0 multiplied by y, then actually you have expressed it in the form of a linear equation in two variables, but it is still a linear equation in one variable, because we have learned in a linear equation in two variables your a and b cannot be equal to 0. Here you have expressed it in the form of a linear equation in two variables, but it is still a linear equation in one variable. So by comparing this with the general representation of a linear equation in two variables, this is A, this 0 is B, and this 2 is C. Y minus 2 is equal to 0. Again, it's a linear equation in one variable. So if you have to express it in the form of a linear equation in two variables, that will be 0 multiplied by x plus, this is y, 1 multiplied by y, this is minus 2, so plus within the bracket minus 2 equal to 0. But this is still a linear equation in one variable, because your a cannot be equal to 0. Remember this one. Now this 0 is A, your B is 1, and your C is minus 2. 5 is equal to 2x, again a linear equation in one variable, right? So this you can write it as 5 minus 2x is equal to 0, and another way is 2x minus 5 equal to 0. In this case you have transposed 5 to the right hand side, and in this case you have transposed 2x to the left hand side. So this is basically minus 2x plus 0 multiplied by y plus 5 equal to 0, and this is 2x plus 0 multiplied by y plus minus 5 equal to 0. Your minus 2 is A in this case, your B is 0 in this case, and C is equal to 5. 2 is A in this case, B is 0, and C in this case is minus 5, right?